go. Today is the day. Babalik na sila mama sa Philippines. So, ayan. Picture muna kami sa labas ng bahay. Ayan na po. Isusoli ko na po sa agency nila itong dalawa. Naging masipag pong trabador itong dalawa. Nagka-bonus po yan. Agaran nyo kami ng contract nila next year. Calvin. Look at the camera. Where is Lola and Lolo going? Are you gonna be sad? No! They're gonna go to the Philippines. Hindi ka kasama. Say bye-bye na to Lola. Yan na, bad trip na yan.
A few moments later.
Some days I can't get out of my bed. Some days I'm waking up on the wrong side of my head, and I got all these eyes on me, staring at me through my screen. Most nights I just can't wait to lie down. So tired from my thoughts that keep on swirling around. Medication used to help me breathe. Now it feels like it's abuse.
Isa sa uli na po natin sa kanilang...
Nararamdaman ko na ang lungkot.
Nalungkot ka na?
Now?
Oh. Hindi, kasama ka talaga dyan. Andiyan nila. Inimpake ko gamit mo. Alis ka na. Lamig, no? Yung jacket ko nga ganito lang eh. Dapat pala nag-long sleeve ako. It's so cold.
Sige, pwede to.
Dapat ito muna malapad.
Yan na, alis na po sila. Uwi na po sila ng Philippines. Ang bilis ng panahon.
Sige, pag ganito na lang.
Tayo.
It's so cold. Grabe, lamig. Ito na kami sa airport, guys. Grabe, ang lamig. Bakit ba ganito lang yung sinuot ko? Lamig. So cold. Parang nag-yelo dito, ha?
Some days I can't get out of my bed. Some days I'm waking up on the wrong side of my head, and I got all these eyes on me, staring at me through my screen. Most nights I just can't wait to lie down. It breathe. Now it feels like it's abusing me.
Yan, uwi na sila, guys. Nakakalungkot. Yeah.
All of my thoughts take the air out of me, and I can't disagree with the lies that I think you believe. Tell me, what do you believe? And if there was a way to explore my brain, buy a one-way ticket on a monorail train till I find the light in my mind. Am I running out?
Ayan, nakapag-check-in na sila mama, papa. And then, ayun, chika ko lang sa inyo. Buti tinanggap yung baggage nila kasi nagka-problem kagabi. Nung online check-in ko sila, nagtataka ako bakit tig-isa lang yung allowed. Pero supposedly dapat talaga tig-dalawa na baggage na 23 kilos. Tinawag ko, sabi tig-isa. Eh may original ticket, dalawa talaga. So yun, nilaban ko ngayon. So inalaw naman nila. Diba? Huwag silang ganun. No, Elio? And breakfast muna kami, guys, sa Tim Hortons. Ayan. What's your breakfast? What's your breakfast?
The fries.
Mami na lang to. Give them a smile. In the camera, smile.
Naku, lalo pa egg.
Lalo yung kain pa ako mo. Kain niya.
Oh, no.
Lecha po, lecha.
Wow.
Kain guys. Mamimiss mo ang kaka-Tim Hortons mo.
Oo. Yung double.
Ha?
Yung double.
Ayan.
Saan nakakain sa reklamo?
Ano masasabi mo? Uwi na sila mama.
Ako, doble na. Dami namin gagawin.
Kasi guys, alam nyo ba, para pahinga talaga, ang focus namin talaga si Elliot at si Calvin lang. Sila lahat gumagawa ng gawaing bahay. Minsan hindi na ako nakakapag-vlog or sa vlog ko tulala ako, alam nyo na guys. I need help. Skandalous. No.
Bye, Elliot.
Mamimiss mo si Elliot?
Yes naman, sobra.
Iiyak na yan.
Si Elliot umiiyak eh.
Yeah, rashes kasi. Uy, bad trip.
Bad trip na.
Mamiss mo si Elliot?
Ano naman?
Si Elliot, si Calvin?
Dalawa. Ano si Calvin?
Dahil si Calvin?
Yapos ko lang kagabi. Ngayon, hindi pa yung maghanap si Calvin.
Maghanap yan. Pasok na sila. Ano yan?
Some days I can't get out of my bed. Some days I'm waking up
Kasi bye-bye na.
side of my head.
Ingat.
Eyes on me,
Bye-bye. Ingat kayo.
staring at me through my screen. Most nights I just can't wait to lie down. So tired from my thoughts that keep on swirling around. Medication used to help me breathe. Now it feels like it's abusing me. 'Cause all of my thoughts take the air out of me. And I can't disagree with the lies that I think you believe. Tell
Balik na lang.
me, do you believe?
Happy trip.
There was a way to explore my brain. One way
Happy
to
trip.
get on a monorail train till I
Bye-bye.
find
Nasasama.
the light in my mind. Am I running out?
Okay, bye-bye na to, Lolo Lola. Bye, Lolo Lola.
This candle is about to burn out.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye to
I
Lolo
spend
Lola.
all of my time filling my head with the doubts
Say bye-bye
that
to Lolo
I'll
Lola.
never see.
Bye, Lolo Lola.
I'll never be quite like you.
Bye, Lolo Lola.
Sometimes I take the long way home.
Bye-bye, ma. Love you.
Fight these voices in my head that just don't feel like my own. And the music on my radio is the only reason I don't feel alone now. 'Cause all of my thoughts take the air out of me. And I can't disagree with the lies that I think you believe.
Okay.
Tulog na sila mama. Nandito lang ako sa souvenir shop. Nagtitingin-tingin lang. Dito pala ang dami rin. Mas mura pa nga yung mga t-shirt dito. Ang gaganda pa. Yun o, may mga shirt. Puro Nova Scotia or Halifax shirts siya. Yan.
Some days I can't get out of my bed.